How does it feel to be the BMX master?
Well, yeah, pretty much. It's pretty much cool, dude. Like, you know, it's a lot of tricks. You know, there's a lot of tricks where, you know, I do a lot of things. It takes a lot of time and patience, you know. Time and patience.
Give word to the people who wants to be next BMX comers.
Good word to the next generation of BMX comers is just rock, dude. It's rock hard and rock fast.
It's a nice ride, man.
Yeah, you know.
What kind of ride is this?
Oh, this is a beach bike. I use this for my stomach because, you know, it gives me good luck. My grandma, you know, she gave this to me when she passed away. You know, so I use this for good luck, man. You know, and it kept me safe since then. You know.
All right. Show us one of your biggest stunts that you're about to pull.
Well, I got this big stunt called it's the Willie Done, and it's really cool. It goes like this. I'll just practice it every day. Watch.